Hey guys, it is your girl Jordan and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do something green. Now I must admit I've been wanting to do something with green and something with purple for quite some time. So I thought, why not do it now? So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful cut crease, which is giving me mermaid vibes. I don't know about y'all, but it's definitely giving me mermaid vibes. I absolutely loved how the final look turned out. I threw in a little faux freckles, and it is just, gorgeous. So if you would like to see how I created this look, keep on watching.
Hi guys, so the first step is to prime our faces. So I'm priming my face with the Nivea Soft Moisturizer. If you've been here for a while, you would definitely know that this is one of my faves. Using my NYX Jumbo pencil in white, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids and then just buff that out with a blending brush. Using my Delancey palette, I picked up the brightest shade of green from that palette, and I am just packing that into my eyes, and I'm also creating the shape that I ultimately want my eyeshadow to have. Going back into my Delancey palette, I'm picking up the second darkest shade of green, and I'm basically just using that to diffuse the edges of that first shape and to also help to add a little more pigment in terms of the brightness of the green. Going back into my palette, I am picking up the lightest shade of green, and I'm just using that as the final transition shade to blend everything together to make everything nice and neat. Using my simple micellar water and a Q-tip, I go ahead and cut the crease. However, guys, if you've noticed one of my eyes completed, I was totally doing my eyes. I did not realize that my battery had died, and so I apologize for that, but this is just me picking up where I left off by cutting the crease with micellar water and a Q-tip. Using my NYX Cosmetics Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, I'm gonna go in and cut my crease. Using this Bitsy glitter that I have in Stardust, I just went ahead using my fingertip and I packed that on my concealer. Then I went in with my Kiss eyelash glue. I added some to my fingertips, and then I went ahead and placed that all over the area that I had just cut the crease. Using this loose glitter that I picked up at my local beauty supply store, I just went in using my fingertips once more and just packing on some glitter onto the area that I had covered using the lash glue. Using my spoolie, I am just cleaning up the area that I see that I have any excess glitter. And also guys, be very gentle. I also use a wipe and I removed any excess glitter that was on my face, and I also defined the outer edges of my eyeshadow. Now moving on to primer. I am using the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Primer. And of course, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Guys, I have new foundation coming, so just be on the lookout for that. Basically putting that all over my face, and then I'll be using a beauty blender to blend everything out. Now going in with my L'Oreal concealer. I'm just going to conceal the areas that I would like to accentuate. You can do your concealer based on your own preference. It really doesn't matter, guys. Using my Beauty Treat Sculpting palette, I'm just going to go ahead and contour the sections of my face that I want to snatch. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer by using my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm also going to be highlighting underneath my contour area. And to set my contour, I am using my MAC press powder. Going back into my Delancey palette and picking up the same shades I used previously to do my eyeshadow, to do my bottom, my under eye area, and then I'm using this white NYX pencil followed by my LA Girl Shockwave in yellow.
2 hours later.
Then I set my edges and I also adjusted my bun off camera. This is just me giving you a full view of what the final product looks like.
This is inside using, I'm not using my ring light right now, but this is just inside my my house using a regular LED ceiling bulb, and this is what it's looking like. However, I'm gonna insert a clip of me on the outside so that you guys can see what my face looks like in natural light, because it is rainy today. So I'm gonna insert that for you guys to see, and then I'll be back. So this is how my face is looking outside in the natural light on the outside. As you can see, my face is looking flawless to me. So cute.
Moments later.
Okay, so I hope you guys saw the difference in terms of the inside light compared to the outside light. I am really crazy about this look. I really and truly am. I'm just gonna come a little closer once more for you to admire, and I did add some faux freckles, but yeah, let me know down in the down in the comment section. I want you to drop me something green. It doesn't matter the shade of green, a green emoji, whichever emoji you want to choose. Drop me an emoji down in the comment section so that I can know that you're here until the end of the video. And also guys, also come a little closer. A little closer again. Okay, right there. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I mean, I've been saying this, what are you doing?
Oh my god! Wow!
You know, subscribe to my channel, guys. I post new videos every Monday and Friday at 1 p.m. Give this video a thumbs up, and also guys, most importantly, turn on post notifications so that you can be aware whenever I upload new content. Okay, you don't want to miss out, because I got some things coming. I've got my skincare routine to do. I've got my morning routine to do. I'm gonna be starting a new challenge. Just a few things just to let you guys know what's going on. But yeah, thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for being a part of Team's Jordan Army. I have not said that in a while. I really love and appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you in another one. Bye.
Lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts.